Hi loves, thank you so much for stopping by. A warm welcome to you if you are new here. To my already subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for your constant support and love. In today's video, we are going to be making two easy banana snacks that are easy to make and fun to eat. So I have my two banana that I have already peeled. I'll cut each into two, and to that I'll poke in some popsicle stick to hold it. After that, I'm going to be freezing this, and I will be melting some chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate of your choice. I'll drizzle a little bit of coconut oil on it for easy melting, and I will be drizzling this onto the banana. So these bananas are easy to make, so if you have a child or a baby that is teething, they can snack on this, and that will help smoothen the gum and prevent them from pain and itchy. You can enjoy them immediately now, or you can leave them in the freezer for later if you are not ready to eat now, else they are going to be melting. So the next banana snack will be a mini banana sandwich. So I'm going to be melting some chocolate chips. Again, I added a little bit of coconut oil that will help melt and mix the chocolate into very creamy paste. So I'm just going to cut my banana into small pieces. They will not be too thick or too thin, about this size. So after that, I'm going to be spreading all the cut banana onto my baking sheet covered with parchment paper, and I will reserve the rest for covering the banana later. So in here I have some almond butter. You can use any nut butter of your choice. I added some sesame seed. That is totally optional. You can omit that if you don't want any seed in it. I just added it for some added protein. So I'm just going to scoop a little bit onto each of the cut bananas, and I'm going to use the other leftover banana to cover it to make a mini banana sandwich. And I will be freezing this in the freezer before we dip them in the chocolate sauce. You can enjoy them without dipping it in the chocolate sauce as well, and you can enjoy them immediately just after dipping, or you can put them in the freezer if you are done and you are not ready to eat, or put them in a Ziploc bag for use later. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you.